Yo, yo, yo. What is going on, everybody? I'm listening to a song right now that is not copyright safe for YouTube to get hype for the day, but we are going to be cooking. Yeah. All right, let's get started. I just went live. Can you check that the title and the description and the thumbnail is getting put on properly? No, we ain't gonna die. What you cooking? What's good, bro? Loved your video on the offer brainstorm. Good shit right there. Appreciate you, dog. What's good, Antonio? I am cooking. I gotta onboard these clients today, and I got meta ads running for myself. And I'm cooking up, trying to find the bottleneck of these ads and running some analytics. Trying to see if the session replays will give me any insights, but it looks like everyone's bouncing off the page as soon as they hit. They come to snuff the rooster. Yeah. All right. Gotta pin this. Here comes the rooster. Poker website for the Philippines. It's easy. Use Claude Code. No, we ain't gonna die. What's good, Daniel Brown, Horthim, Iman? Welcome to the community. All right, we got our call on Saturday for the iron operators. Let's see. Let's answer some questions on here. Pull this off real quick. Fun. Let me see this. No, we ain't gonna die. All right, we got that. So install Claude in the terminal, but launch command, nothing wants to start. I know it's going on my Cloud app though. Print the terminal output into Claude on the app or GPT, and it should be able to walk you through how to get that fixed. Okay, we're going through the community DMs. What you mean prompt? Community DM. You wanted to book an actual treatment. So let me see. I'll put this over here. Someone's system, but because the agent read the summary and everything of the call, I was able to understand the staff actually said that this is an offer, and rather than properly to the treatment booking link instead of booking a phone consult. Also, last message about using their mind about moving and taking their time. I think this is really good. This is the type of thing I don't really test for. I'm surprised when things like this naturally happens and it works smoothly. Let's see this. Staff called to follow up on missed phone consultation. Hi, I texted and talked to you about the cool peels that you were offering. I'm not sure if you still have them. If you do, I was looking for. Okay, we got our music. Let's put the music back on. Let's do some lo-fi. Love this shit. Steps on 350 special to check in. Oh my god, this is insane. Oh my god. Also SEO will go crazy software type of sound. Holy shit, that conversation AI though. Bro, what the fuck? My voice dictation picked that up. Oh my god. This is nuts. New post. Okay, let's see what's going on in the community. Introduction. Easy pieces of the Iron Vault. I'll make a bunch of QA and bug tracking with GoHighLevel Audit. It looks like I can use the GoHighLevel Audit loop. I built some workflows that track bookings. I built some workflows that track bookings into Google Sheet based on webhooks and not the actual status behind that. And GoHighLevel, it works great about not agent contacts. However, the company has over 200 workflows, and a lot of these workflows are knocking contacts out of my tracking workflows before they get sent to the G Sheet. I was looking for a way to automate troubleshoot what's happening in the event log for list of contacts. I have event log in Google Sheets, company ID, as well as everything that's decide. And they have either. Have you done any work using pieces of the Iron Vault to automate a bunch of QA and bug tracking with GoHighLevel's audit log? Is this a bunch of any workflows? And for 15 to 20% confidence that failed uploading your tracking workflow, do you have a common reason not getting into manually check? Okay, Joshua had a question in here. Have you done any work? Okay, this is actually very interesting. I built some workflows to track bookings in a Google Sheet based on webhooks and not the actual status tracking behind. They're working great for about 8% context workflows. And a lot of these workflows are knocking contacts. Event log for a list of contacts. This is actually super interesting. I have not done anything with the GoHighLevel audit log. And to be honest, the GoHighLevel SDK is something I'm still building on. But for the workflow section, that's mainly what I tuned it up the most to be able to do. Let me know what happens when you keep brainstorming on this. We could talk more on our call Saturday. But in the meantime, I will actually look into this for applications within my Iron Setter conversation AI agent. This is pretty deep. This is pretty crazy insight. Clips are doing good. Yeah, hell yeah, they are. AI advisor system. If I build a workflow which scrapes data every week from GoHighLevel and then arrange that in Google Sheet and go into Claude and provide advice or help identify bottlenecks, do you think this is going to help? Need more context in the actual application. Like Randy said, is this for clients or yourself? Is this for KPIs that you want to start tracking to measure your bottlenecks in the different pipeline stages? I wouldn't use Google Sheet. I would use something like Airtable, NoCodeDB, or Supabase. But you need to provide more context in order to get an accurate prescription. Okay, let's see. Looks like we're caught up on the school community. Get that done. What's good, Johnny? What we working on today? Dude, my ads are kind of doing shit, I'm not gonna lie. It's still early though. It's only been one day, but I got the recordings on here. I got the dashboard. At a 54, only one person even clicked the button on the funnel. So I'm gonna let this run for some more data. Also need to edit this. Scaling AI automation C from 5 to 10 requires consistent systems and client targeting. Curious how you optimize your service delivery during that growth. Let's plug our shameless school community to this. We We have modules for free for, actually, we have modules on scaling, fulfillment, and delivery. We mainly hand off 80% of the onboarding to a Hermes agent at the moment that have custom Python fast API deliverables, such as the site, the funnel, and the GoHighLevel sub-account build-out. Okay. We got a comment on here. We got to that. AI ads. Yeah, I need to get my clipping infrastructure back up. I also need to see if we got our... Okay, so our thumbnail title auto generator is working. Okay, yesterday, our last stream, the thumbnail and the title aren't accurate. Troubleshoot this and get that updated. Let's just take a picture of the full page. Let's get that dialed in. Let's see how the shorts are doing. Holy shit. Oh, this is your short, Johnny. You're in this short. That's just funny. Yeah, I need to get this clipping infrastructure back ASAP. Where are we at with getting more clips fed into the machine? Also, the OAuth connections for all the other platforms we want to cross those to. We need to work on this again. Okay, the music's way too loud. Okay, that's better, that's better. Okay. I also need to update this. I need to make some changes to our client site here. Let's post that in. Let's see. What can I draw on this? All right, let's get that. Every single image with a number on it needs to get replaced. We need to show off more landscaping work, and we need to get more images on here. Make sure the SEO is good on these images as well. I will feed you the Google Drive. Okay. Let's see. My drive. Aiden ads. He shared this shit to me. I can't find it. I need to also check our onboarding flow. All right, let's check my email.
Orchestrator ready for your review.
What the fuck? Also, this is what they said. Look at this with GWS. I think we might just need to make a new framework for how to do all of this. One with browser automation. What do you like? What do we do here? Also, we have so much sauce in the VODs. With this new browser automation, we possibly need to backdate every single live and just start getting hella clips scheduled. So let's plan this as well if we get a good quality pipeline going here. Okay. I need to find the Google Drive that Aiden sent me. Compute is cache. What's good, Caden? How we doing, brother? How was your learning Claude session yesterday? How'd it go? Oh. It went okay. What were you stuck on? What were you stuck on? Yeah, good stuff. What's good, Jay? What's good, Jay? How you doing, brother? Sent me.
Orchestrator ready for your review.
Okay, let's get another iron funnels going. Z funnels. What's good, Jay? How you doing, brother? All right. Let's see how the school community. See what any new modules that we got.
Orchestrator ready for your review.
Yes, the chat widget should get you right. I don't know, I gave it a CSV file for leads and told it to sort it, and I hit the limit pretty fast. You got to get a $100 plan, Caden. You're not like the $20 plan is an illusion. It's fake. It's not real. You got to get a $100 plan. The $20 plan is literally, you might as well consider it like nothing, free. It's ridiculous, to be honest. Ask me any questions if needed. All right, let's see what's going on in the school. Is there any reason to use the terminal over the app? Yes, app is vendor lock-in. Terminal is you own your memory, your context, your skills. It's more lightweight. It's way more freedom. You have way more autonomy in the terminal because it's literally running at the base level of your computer. What's going on, Drew? We are doing a lot of things. So my client, he hit me up and said some of these photos are outdated, so we're getting Claude to refresh some of these photos on the site. He's still getting leads.
Orchestrator ready for your review.
So that's going good. We also have our meta ads live, so we're going to be monitoring that more today, monitoring the funnel, these sessions to make sure everything's dialed in. This is getting worked
Orchestrator
on.
ready for your
We're also
review.
working on our clipping infrastructure because it looks like the like our watch hours are going absolutely ballistic. I don't know what it's from. It could be from the, I don't know. I don't look into these metrics too much, but I know our clips, our shorts are doing pretty good. And these are completely passive. So I want to get that up and running way better today. So I'm planning that out. I need to also work on our onboarding flow. So I need to make a prompt right here. Use the prime skill, research the repository. Today I want to research how we do our onboarding. It looks like there's still some friction within our clients. They'll submit it and I'm going back to them for more information. So I want to see what exists on the Meta business side. So I need you to give me a link to a testing onboarding page that isn't going to mess anything up so I can go through it myself. And I just need you to be ready for any changes that we're going to make. Okay. So we got an agent working on that. Download. Are you not auth to GWS? It's been going good, bro. Hey, is all the stuff in the school updated? I'm interested in getting the premium membership, man. Just waiting for you to have everything ready to go. Love the hustle, man. Jay, completely transparently, the school community is a little bit rough for the onboarding, but what you will get that is live right now is the GoHighLevel workflow SDK. So you'll be able to have Claude get full access into your entire GoHighLevel workflow section. It'll be able to create workflows, edit workflows, and delete workflows.
Orchestrator ready
it also
for
has
your
a lot
review.
more stuff that touches GoHighLevel as well. It has all the browser automation skills and frameworks that you will need to basically never have to touch a UI on the front end again. It has every single skill that I've ever used. So like crystallize, where Claude will go through in your session and make sure all the memory is saved, all the meta agentics are saved. Now the onboarding process isn't that sexy right now, but you will get weekly calls where I will be able to support you in getting all of that stuff onboarded, and you'll get some of those extra modules unlocked. We're still building out these modules, so the main thing in the Iron Vault right now is just those GoHighLevel workflows, skills, the Claude skills, and it's mainly the weekly calls right now. This is still a work in progress, and yeah, but I think it's well worth it because the price is going to be going up once I get all of this streamlined. So you're basically paying a cheaper price to deal with a little bit of jank. Jay, I have an automation. When we tag a contact to interested, it sends our website to them. We're getting a problem when it sends SMS. It says, right, stop to unsubscribe. I don't know why. What's your SMS provider? Cool, I'm getting that installed tonight. I've been going through lessons. I'm going to go back to the offering client stuff tomorrow so I can lock that down and start working on acquisition. Hell yeah, brother. Let me know how it goes. So let me know your SMS provider and I should be able to help you out a bit. GWS is a CLI tool for Google Access. Are we on the same page here? Okay. So you'll get the sales and speed to lead scripts and kind of our entire process on discovery call booking, the repeatable delivery for the AI stack, iteration. But like I said, the main sauce is in like hiring setters, premium positioning, how to raise prices, because we've raised our prices every single time we close someone. Twilio, pull in the Twilio documentation to your agent and then ask
ready
them to
for your
troubleshoot it for
review.
you. I would need some more screenshots. You can post it in the community if you're a little bit confused, but is it going through GoHighLevel on the Twilio side? Welcome in, Jeremiah. Welcome to the school community. Do you still recommend Instantly? You've probably covered in the stack, but that's the ones I haven't been through yet. Yes, 100%. Instantly is amazing, and we get clients and leads every single day from it, and it integrates perfectly with GoHighLevel. What's good, Matt Seegers? How we doing, baby? What is good? What is good? All right. Now run that shit for me and get it authenticated and pulled in. Okay, so we have Claude working on our onboarding. Yes, sir. What's good, Randy? How we doing? What's on the agenda today? Have you liked the stream? Let's see. We're gonna start this poll. Just joined the school. That was my son who just joined. Nice. Well, tell your son that we are glad to have him and there's a lot of free sauce in there that's still getting built out right now. Okay, we got this. Trying to get my life organized over here. Clipping software. Let's see. Seeing calibration, quality ceiling on YouTube. For the backdated ones, when we weren't recording, we're just gonna have to deal with the quality loss. Just give me the questions that you need from me. We are just gonna make a new framework where we do browser automation instead of messing with the quota. Any questions? Yo, what's up, Jason? What's good? What's good, Kaizen? How we doing, brother? What's everybody up to today? Let me know. Let's hear it. Let's hear it. We got a lot to do on our end. I need to follow up with this guy. How do I even respond to this? He just didn't even answer. How do I follow up with this? He didn't even answer. Okay, we got GPT on this.
Orchestrator ready
Still
for your
Gonna
review.
be able to charge my retainer AI usage SMS with upcharge for little margin. All adding their card to GoHighLevel one time. Super clean and simple. Is that through the app marketplace, Randy? Is that what you're talking about? Okay, this is pretty good. I'm gonna send this. All right, so we got our follow-up going on this. This guy submitted the onboarding form. Let's see. Doing good, my guy. Just implementing whatever was in Iron Automations. A lot of things to learn. Hell yeah, brother. I'm glad to see you guys are going through the school community and taking action. Like, that's just amazing. Like, I'm so proud of every single one of you guys. I'm still gonna, like, if you guys have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to make a post in the community. Like, please try to avoid DMing me so that everyone can learn and we can all just kind of contribute to this growing community together. If you have any questions on the course material, if anything's unclear, let me know. I'll update it. And this could just be a living directory of all of our sauce put together. And we could have a greater impact. The parts will be greater than the whole, or the sum of the parts will be greater than the whole. The whole will be greater than the sum of the parts. Yep, well, for the SMS, that's native, but for the AI usage that my AI does, I'll add like a 1.5 to 2x on the usage and make extra through that, and they won't know, LOL. They think they only pay me a 400.
Orchestrator ready for
I need to get my
review.
rebilling set up because I'm paying for all their SMS right now. So I don't fucking know what to do there. We just gonna have to, I don't know. It should be pretty cheap and low volume though. That's a good thing. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and bypass permissions on this. Let's go ahead and get this authed. Can you make it so I never have to auth this again? Make some kind of Python script that lives wherever it has to live. All right, close that window. Auth landed clean. Get that folder. Update the client account. Okay, we got instantly here. How's the instantly doing? Okay, our hour. I need to get this live. Wait, did he give me access to his account? Let me see this shit. Yeah, well, mine is high volume, so kind of will have to. It will be extra 100, 400 a month on average from SMS AI. Also about to test voice AI outbound right now while Codex is building out the app changes. Oh, let's fucking go, baby. Oh, let's fucking go. The voice AI is, I know it's going to be killer. I know it's there. Like, if I had time, I'd be doing that shit right now. It's just not a priority for me. But since your client wants it and is hungry, I'm excited to see where that goes. Where the fuck? I don't see the access. I don't see the access at all. You see the access? How do I get access to this account? What do I need to finish? Like, what information do I need from him to finish all this? I need to text him. Okay. Okay, I need some water. Give me some creatine water here. Okay, we're looking in this client onboarding. Only gonna do it if I'm really confident, of course. Also, your chat screen is not connected, by the way. Okay, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, we should be good now. We should be good now. Let's do clip just to test it. There we go. 10 questions, numbered. So here's what we answered. Dude, look at my neck, bro. I'm over here looking up at my fucking ultra wide screen monitor. I don't know what to do about this. I don't know. What do you think? What's our quota budget? It seems like we're eating through quota every single day. I need your insights on this for number 1. Number 2.
Orchestrator ready for your review.
I'm not sure what you mean by trigger model. Also, you need to do whatever's best for number 3. 4, let's fuck around and find out. 5, do something dedicated. We want something that's long-term scalable. With that, like, do it with that frame architecture decision-wise. Backfill is all the streams. Caption style, find the best in the industry. Let's do the review queue gate in the local host for our iron content. 9, let's do whatever's in the safe limit, but I need citation that you're not just bullshitting me. And yes, we should be cross-platform configured. What you working on today? Working on the clipping software, working on onboarding reminders, working on getting this client onboarded. It looks like they don't have enough information. Like, I'm working on my onboarding flow because they're not giving me all the information that I need. So I'm working on my onboarding flow. I'm finishing up some changes for this guy's website, because these are apparently before pictures. These are some pretty damn good before pictures, dude. Like, where are the afters? So I'm changing that. I'm monitoring our ad spend and funnel.
Orchestrator ready for your review.
Welcome to the community, Matthew Seegers. Welcome in, welcome in. I am trying to get access to this guy's business page. We see the page. I don't see the page. Oh, I do see it here. Okay, I see the page. Any leads coming from the ads? No. It looks like they're bouncing on the page. Those are before cap. I know. What's good, Joshua? How you doing, brother? I know. He was like, yeah, my business partner called me. He said you got before pictures on the website. And I was like, no, I don't. I was like, no, I don't. I'm over here looking at it on the phone with him. And he's like, he was like, oh yeah, those are before. And I'm like, what the fuck? I know. I was like, okay, dude. I'm like, okay. Shit. Also, to the services tab and the services section on page, add a pressure washing page and service. For some reason he wants me to add that, so I'm adding that too. I can send some befores. No, dead ass. Dead ass. What the fuck? But yeah, I don't fucking know, dude. Let's see here. Let's see here. do an audit. I want whatever's long-term and scalable for our analytics. I want everything to be pixel perfect. If you have any questions, use the ask user question tool. Okay. I can send some before. No, real. Fuck. Fuck. Can you use some kind of browser automation framework, whether it be Comet CDP, Pinch Tab, and then actually go through the ad account to see exactly what we need? What's good in the hood today? Everything is good in the hood, brother. What's good, Chris? We are doing our clipping software. We're making some updates to that. And we're getting some updates to the client site for a one-time request. I'm auditing our client onboarding flow. So you guys are gonna be able to see how we onboard clients right now. Hey, welcome to Iron Automations. My name is Jason. Genuinely pumped to get this started for you. So what we're basically about to go through looks good. What services do you offer? Because it looks like we're not getting all the information we need for these guys.
Still cooking.
Are you serious?
Yeah, but Trina took my pool, so I'm gonna.
Oh, your mom's pool? Nice. All right. Okay, Facebook business page URL, logo, brand colors, photos of your best work, domain name. Did he upload photos? I need to see if he uploaded photos. Our onboarding is in desperate need of being streamlined. Looks like we're missing a lot of information.
Orchestrator ready for your review.
Okay, let's see. Nice! Oh my God, he uploaded some good photos. I love my onboarding flow, bro. This is just so peak. Holy shit! Holy shit!
Orchestrator ready for your
God.
review.
Oh my God, this guy's legit.
Orchestrator ready for your review.
Oh my God. Okay, we got a logo. Nice. Holy fuck. Let's go, dude. Yeah, that's gonna be $150 a lead. No, deadass. That's gonna be $150 a lead, actually. Yeah. What the fuck? Okay, real quick for you guys that are interested. Let me see if I can. I'm gonna show you guys my ultra wide monitor. What's up, Yug Dabgar? What's going on, brother? I'm gonna show you guys my terminal, my Claude Code terminal, and I'm gonna show you guys the metrics that we have gotten on our segment. So pay attention real quick while I get this pulled up. These metrics are gonna be from the curiosity, so like, hey, we already built you a site, and the outcome, like, we'll get you more leads. I'm gonna show you those KPIs right now, so you guys can have that insight. Let's see. If you guys can see, let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna do it right here. So I'm gonna make this full screen if you guys can see it. Hide this. Let me just pull this. Those are the KPIs right here. So you guys can take a screenshot on if you want that data. You guys can take a screenshot from like, this is the curiosity right here. What you're seeing is we already built you a site. You want to see it. The outcome is like, we'll get you more book jobs, pay on results. It's going away in 3, 2, 1. Okay. Let's undo all of this. But yeah, I pulled that earlier. I forgot about it. It was like yesterday, actually. So yeah, obviously, we already built you a website, converts higher. It gets more attention because it's like, what the fuck? And our copy's like, it sounds crazy, but I already built you this. So it's going pretty well. High-level automations couldn't build my SMS UI. I deadass had to create a custom-coded backend and everything. So much extra work. Couldn't build my SMS UI. What do you mean? Yo, what's good, Christian Singh? What's good, baby? High-level automations. How are high-level automations gonna build your SMS user interface? I don't understand. I need some more context on that. What's good, Krishna? How we doing? How we doing? What's good, Sick? How we feeling? How we doing today? All right. All right, let's get this going. Do you have a domain name? Your domain is the web address connected. This should be, do you have a domain? Okay. Yes, I have a domain. What is it? And then it should say, where's your domain? And then he said, I don't fucking know. Like, what am I supposed to do with that? Like, what am I supposed to do with that? Okay, so no, I need one. That's fine. Are we running your meta ads? Yes, you're running my ads. Also, hey, I'm gonna show you how you can give us access. This is, you guys should look at this onboarding flow. It's pretty dialed, if I do say so myself. If you're running a similar offer, at least. It's an onboarding funnel. So your meta business suite. So from this page where you're on here, this might look a little different by the time you're seeing this. This is our business portfolio ID. So you're gonna wanna copy this and head over to business.facebook.com. Once you're there, it should open up to your page. If you don't have a page or any assets in here yet, we can get in touch and help you walk through on how to get your page set up and all the things like that. But for now, we're assuming you already have a Facebook page. You want to go to settings, you want to go to partners, and you want to add, give a partner access to your assets, and then from the onboarding page, which so he did this, but he didn't give us all the access that we needed. Click next. It's gonna ask you for the Facebook pages. You're gonna want to click all of your assets on the Facebook page. Scroll down and click everything. And then, sorry, my AI is talking in the back. You click leads as well. And then you go to ad account. You'll select that if you have it. Some of the stuff you might not have, but we'll fill in the details. Once you do that, you go to pixel if you have one. You probably won't have one. Instagram accounts, you'll select that. Click everything. Domains, you might not have this, but we can link it up for you. And if you don't have it, just you can click that. And then data sets. Basically, just give us all the assets in your ad account. You'll click assign assets. And then act as an agency for my business. Click next. And I accept. It'll ask you to verify. So you'll go grab that code. And then you click I accept. And then we'll have access to your page. And we'll go in and start setting up your account and your creatives. Okay, it's dialed. And then you have the FAQs down here and the step-by-step by text if it's hard to follow. But it looks like one of these guys, he might have not had an ad account. So what if he didn't have an ad account? I don't want to ask that question if he just didn't have the account and he gave us all the assets that he had available. What is the gap of knowledge that I'm missing here? Okay, so I've shared access, continue. And then you got the contact information. So you can register all their information compliance-wise on A2P. This is very important. And then boom, we have everything we need. We'll review, schedule your call, and then go live. And then right here, we have our Hermes agent that saw that a preview client or a client was just submitted. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't have my scene set up, but and then it starts building out the shit automatically. Also got the meal prep, kind of small, decent size, tastes good, super clean. 500 calories, 50 grams protein, some 70 grams, but some lower. Really good macros and tasty. Hell yeah, dude. You gonna save hella time, dog. That's fucking great. I need to make sure that this did not kick off anything though. Okay, I just kicked off our onboarding form as a test. I need you to make sure that it's not actually building anything with Hermes agent or any flows, anything like that. Everything looks good, but I'm just confused. But just do this first, I have another agent looking at it. That answered it definitively. He has nothing to share. Look at his business owned assets. So it looks like he didn't have an ad account. So how do I go in and...
Orchestrator ready for your review.
So if he doesn't have those, okay, this is kind of sauce. This is kind of sauce. Yes, do that. Oh my God. Guys, if you guys can understand what I'm about to say, this could be sauce for you. So when you're onboarding clients into Meta, my agent just proposed a graph API check from the Meta assets that were delivered on the submission of our onboarding form. And it says it's gonna check if Meta has ad account, if Meta has pixel, and who the Meta page owner is. It's gonna append that to our Supabase database, and then you're gonna have two divergent kickoffs. That client has stuff to share, and then client needs provisioning. And then the system is gonna pick up based on those flags. And then it's gonna auto provision their account based off of the use case. Like, this is crazy. 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 Like, what? What? Like, come on, Claude. You're too good to me. Quota budget, what's actually burning it? Quota calculator, Google developers, default project, move to browser automation, chat listening, trigger model, what I meant. Per platform, architecture summary. That's fucking nuts. You got this locked the fuck down. I appreciate it, dude. I'm just trying to, like, my whole goal with live streaming this is like trying to transfer this knowledge in any possible way I can. And I know so many people are not going to be in the position to capture it, but I know there's some of you. There's a small percentage of you that this could be hella insightful for. So I'm gonna keep fucking spitting it, whatever it is. I know it's gonna be hard to understand for just like, it's just, this stuff is so esoteric. So that doesn't mean we need one project with the chat browser automation. Okay, keep those projects. Your plan looks good. Let's do a small batch of testing and then open it on my computer, and let's plan to get this shipped today. I'm new to N8N. I set it up just yesterday. Got some simple Supabase and Twilio SMS working. Is there any AI game? Like Claude Code would build it for me, but I had to do a lot to make it work. Okay, DeSick. If you were in this for the long run, you shouldn't be building an N8N anymore. I'm just gonna say it. There's a whole module in the free school community that talks about this. If you go to the classroom, what's good, Nathan, bro? If you go to the classroom, and I think it's
ready
under
for your review.
Outreach lane, maybe. Let me see. The stack. If you go under the stack on lesson 2, you'll see why I don't recommend N8N. Claude Code can build the architecture, it can build the logic, everything from scratch, and that's exactly how we have our cold SMS set up, is in Claude Code and a fast API Python layer that handles the configuration, and it handles the scheduling, it handles when leads are pushed to the GoHighLevel native snapshot that we have. If you guys are interested in any of this stuff, our cold SMS engine, half of it lives in GoHighLevel, and you have the GoHighLevel SDK that gives Claude full access to context in GoHighLevel. So you could take the snapshot, which comes in the Iron Vault, and then you can point Claude at it, and you could say, look at everything in the automations, and then let's draft up a fast API from our scrape data that lives in Supabase to make a config, a scheduler, an SMS engine that uses these workflows. Everything that is in Iron Vault will help you set up your own SMS engine, and I've tested so many different frameworks. This is the best way to do it. I just wish to go high-level for SMS. Claude said I can't remove the message, right? Stop to unsubscribe because it's bound by the A2P. Kuldeep, that is untrue. Claude is going to be a little bitch, and it's going to tell you to be compliant, but you do not have to do that. You can uncheck it in the settings in the phone system. So go ahead and do that and go high level. Bet, that's what I was debating. Just N8N was working the visual, I guess, except my school request or else. I just did, I think. I think I just did. Oh, maybe I didn't. What's good, David? What's good, David? But yeah, I'm showing you guys the architecture that we use at scale, and yeah, it's all there. So why not SMS via Twilio API instead of GoHighLevel? The message, you should provide a link to GoHighLevel with your affiliate in the description of your video. True. True, true, true. The message. Let me see. Let me see. Let me go to the I had it before, but I took it out. The message. Twilio sucks. Don't use Twilio. Don't use fucking GoHighLevel either. Don't use Twilio or GoHighLevel. Yeah, if you guys don't already have GoHighLevel, use that. Or don't, because GoHighLevel is great. But if you want to support the channel, then you can use that. I'm also going to update this description real quick. Not customize. Also, make sure this is in the description of every video. Backlog it, every single caption, comment, and going forward. Live, live, live. You guys mostly are using the wrong infrastructure. Do not send natively through GoHighLevel or Twilio. Use Telenix. This is all in the free school community. Use Telenix or Signal House. It's a fraction of the cost, as those have pretty... Use Telenix, don't use Signal House. It has good documentation. You could build something scalable. Wait, I'm lost. The message is another messaging service? Yes, 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 yes. Ask your agent to compare Telenix versus native GoHighLevel, which is just Twilio on the back end. You're looking at like 0.0073 cents per segment versus like a fraction of that. Just trust me. Just trust me. Look in the school community. Let's see. Give me copy for GoHighLevel affiliate link that you see on page. Similar to the school link. Guys, this is all in the free school community. On my tech stack, on what I recommend, everything like that. And it explains why. It should explain why at least. You guys are setting up your infrastructure wrong from day one, and you're going to be in a lot of trouble when you go to scale, because the native GoHighLevel, it has messaging limits, and if you use Twilio, you're getting fucked on costs. And if you want to send 1,000, 6,000 SMS a day, you're not going to want to pay that bill. You're not going to want to pay that bill. All right. Good comms, Chris. I want you to know you're handsome for giving all this game. You mog so damn hard. Bro, this is why I started this channel. Like, I know it's sappy. I know it's sappy, but I see so much bad information on the front end, which is just YouTube. I see so much bad information, and it's like trying to navigate this shit by yourself. For me, like, it just took me way longer than it needed to. I had to try native GoHighLevel. I had to try N8N. I've switched my infrastructure 7 fucking times. Like it's just like a lot of pain, but that pain
Orchestrator
gave
ready
me so
for
much
your review.
context, gave me so much knowledge on the why on the architecture decisions, on the what you're actually trying to optimize for, what the goal is, and like helping you guys out while I'm able to work has just been one of the like biggest blessings unlocked of this year. Honestly, this has just been absolutely crazy. The support on the channel is just fucking crazy. You guys are awesome. Okay, we got 14 tests running, pushed. 1 operational thing for you to do. 2. Okay, go ahead and I approve all of that. Go ahead and do it. Let's also do an audit of like, how do we get Arbuckle live today? What messaging needs to go out to him if it does need to go out? What can we do from what he submitted? Let's see. Okay. Oh shit! I fucking canceled my GoHighLevel. Okay, we got ADS. Iron Analytics. Don't worry about rotating it. Just get the God mode keys for what you need. Sure. Sure. Get everything God mode, long-term, scalable. Google Drive listener is still active. You need to call total gallery count. Do all of this. I approve. Also, do whatever gallery count makes sense. Also, make sure this is optimized for mobile. Hey, dude, really like the way you're building. I'm new here. Can you help me on the part of how I can? Okay, message redacted. I don't know why that happens, but if you need help, join the school community. Jay, I asked how I can turn off the A2P, and it says my GoHighLevel may unsuspend my account and my number may get filtered to flag. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. If you're trying to do a cold SMS, you can't have that fucking A2P message on it. But you shouldn't even be sending through GoHighLevel. Like I said, you should be using Telenix. But don't worry about compliance. I've run this shit for so long. Like, just turn it off. Them telling you that you may get your account suspended is their compliance. You got to realize that. Like, there's layers to this. What's good, Coder? How we doing, baby? Good to see you, dog. All right, token set, important. Don't worry about that. Open router set, the default gateway, top up open router. I'm not topping up open router. I thought we were using 4.1 from our Azure. Look into this. Okay, so our setter's going well. Let's see how the pipeline is looking. I hope our setter didn't go haywire today. I'm running Claude via Open Router. Is that okay? What the fuck? You're paying API credits to use Claude? No, that's not okay. That is not okay. Fuck no. I hope I'm not hearing what I think I'm hearing. Bro, why are you not buying a Claude subscription? Why are you not using, what the fuck? Are you rich, dog? Are you rich? You got it like that? What the fuck?
Orchestrator ready for your review.
Dude, I got 8 windows of Claude right now, and it's only $200 a month. This is like the craziest value arbitrage that you could ever have in your entire life. Bro, your channel's grown so much from these lives, holy. Like, yeah, no, it's been crazy, dude. That's what I've been saying, dog. My best doer. How often are you keeping your eye on OpEx with all your stack? Do y'all try to keep spend under a certain % of spend of revenue? No. My crystal ball metric is, are we making more money than we put in? As long as we're making more money than we put in,
Orchestrator
I
ready
keep a
for
general
your
idea
review.
of how much it costs us to acquire a customer, so your CAC. And then I have a prediction of how long they're going to stay and how much revenue that we're collecting up front. So our LTV to CAC, that is our golden metric, and that's like straight out of Hormozy's book. Everything that I'm saying is just a parrot of Hormozy, pretty much. Like, you guys need to read offers, leads, and money models. But yeah, I just look at our LTV to CAC, and for all of our marketing spend, like Instantly, Telenix, and Meta, I'm just like, are we making more than we put in? Are we hitting KPI or close to KPI on our interested reply rate, our appointment booking rate, our engaged to booking rate, our close rate, our show rate, everything like that, and then we just put more money in the machine and let everything happen. What is the best niche right now to sell AI automation? Home services. Home
Orchestrator
services.
ready for your review.
There's unlimited niches, but if you want a good niche that I'm targeting, then it's just home services. There's you have unlimited TAM, you have the ticket size, so they can afford your shit. There's a million of them. Actually, there's like 1.6 million of them, just from the few subscrape that I scraped, and they have stable businesses. Get a subscription. Claude subsidizes compute costs with a subscription. Exactly. This is. I don't know if this is gonna last forever. I don't know if this much compute at this discount is gonna last forever. Like, you guys need to be abusing your Claude subscription, your Codex subscription. Like, these are the best deals of our fucking lifetime right now. Like, actually, it's crazy. Okay, is our clipping software?
Orchestrator
so-
ready for your review.
And my Claude agent just backdated everything on my description with the YouTube API. So, okay, this is fucked. So it added it. And it also is doing the SEO here. Let me show Claude. It should be at the very top of the description. Put the chapter lower, like way lower. Like, this is literally, I vibe coded my own vidIQ intelligence software, and YouTube is just doing the SEO, the tagging, the chapters, like all of this shit is just happening with Claude. Also, double check the chapters. For our live, you only did like up to 21 minutes, but it's an 8-hour live. And it won't be there forever, so get it now before they stop subsidizing. Exactly, bro. Like, I've been pushing this shit on my like personal Instagram with like, there's no like entrepreneurs on my personal Instagram, but I'm like, dude, you guys need to use Claude Code right now. This shit is not gonna last forever, and like, this is urgent. Like, this is like the internet boom, the meta boom, the Google ads boom. Like, there's these gaps, there's these opportunity windows that open. And I told myself when AI came out and I experienced putting my first prompt in GPT, I think it was 3.5, whenever it first came out, I put that prompt in there and I was like, I am not gonna miss this boom. That's what I told myself. I was at the gym and I typed it in and I saw the token generation, I saw the text generation, and I was like, I am not gonna miss this. Like, that's exactly, like 2023, I was like, this is gonna be it. Because I missed all the other fucking drop shipping boom and all that shit, crypto. I still be DCAing in crypto though, don't get me wrong. Okay, so the chapter generator's fixing the drop the IG. The IG is in the about section over here. It's right here. I'll drop it though. Yeah, I'm gonna start cross-posting to IG too from this content automation system. Dropshipping still works, yeah, but it's not as easy as it was. Of course, dropship, all of that shit still works. You can make money in crypto, you can make money in dropshipping, you can make money doing meta ads like I'm doing it right now. You can make money on Google, but market efficiency starts to come into play, and it becomes a lot harder, and competition becomes a lot fiercer, and you have to be good. Like right now with AI, you don't even have to be good. You didn't have to be good when dropshipping first started becoming meta. You didn't have to be good to run a fucking meta ad, and you're getting like 50-cent CPLs. Like, there's these windows where you don't even have to be good. That's what I'm emphasizing here. And we're in that window right now with AI. Like, the supply-demand curve, I don't know, I think it's easier than ever with AI. You can just test so damn much. I agree. I do agree. But AI media generation it is getting pretty easy with GPT image 2, I'm not gonna lie. Me and Randy were actually getting shiny object the other day with watching this guy drop ship GLPs with AI image ads, AI funnels, and AI checkouts. I don't even think he used Shopify. We were kind of getting shiny object because drop shipping is becoming way easier with this boom. You are right about that. But since drop shipping relies on the Meta platform, the point of drop shipping being so easy before is that you could just literally like put anything up and make a fuck ton of money. And I think it is coming back. I think it is coming back right now. That's something I have been noticing. But that's a lot of shiny object. I'm allergic to shiny object, bro. Okay, so let's see how the funnel's doing. Looks like they were on this page for 9 minutes. I don't know if our funnel's broken or what. I don't know if these are... I think our funnel might be broken. Why can't I see that? Oh, maybe it's not. Maybe it's not. Maybe we just aren't able to see it on Post Hog. Looks like this guy's on desktop too. I'm so bad with shiny object. Dude, we all are. Literally, we all are. That's why, like, that's literally the killer. Shiny object is the killer. Like, no one is immune. Some are just better at regulating their temptations than others. And it's like, me being able to do that recently has been a huge game changer. But you have to be able to differentiate shiny object with a better opportunity vehicle. That is what I'll say about shiny object. Like, for me, this channel feels like shiny object. The school community feels like shiny object. But because my business is getting hurt by this marginally, obviously, everything has a trade-off. You motivated me and put me on AI. Not gonna lie, I'm grateful. Appreciate you, dog. I mean, you are to thank for everything that happens in your journey. Like, it's all you, dog. I didn't know Claude Code could do what you're doing. Most people don't. That's why I'm doing this. Like, we're still so early. We are still so early. Like, the best builders I've ever met, quote unquote best builders, are not doing what I'm doing with AI right now. Like, I mean, obviously the best builders are, but like people who you see on the front end, who you would consider the best builders, it was like, I would just see what they're putting out, and I'm like, holy fuck, there's like, all the shit is invisible. Most of the shit that I'm doing is actually invisible to the front end. Game. Watch Carson Fox for direct response marketing. He's the GOAT. I used to stream working like this, and I couldn't get anything done. I mean, dude, my gains are getting hurt for sure, marginally. But I'm getting stuff done because I'm able to prompt, and like I have 3 active Claude
Orchestrator
sessions
ready
right
for
now
your review.
that are just like, look at this shit. I got my clipping software working right now. Does Wix
Orchestrator ready for your
host
review.
domains? How's it going, small body? What's good, dude? So I got my
Orchestrator
everything's
ready
being
for
worked on
your
right now,
review.
but it's just like, it's a trade-off. Everything's a trade-off. What perplexity sub do you have? That's what you use for browser use, like when you have AI handle meta ads and stuff? No. I only have a pro plan for perplexity. I used to do it. I was running out of my usage. So for meta ads, I use a browser automation called Pinch Tab. I also use Google MCP for the Chrome Dev Tools. I use the OpenClaw framework for like CDP. I use Playwright. I basically have AI. I give it like 10 different browser automation frameworks, and then it just uses whatever's best. And I have a bunch of, all my skills are available in the Iron Vault. So all those browser automation frameworks, the frameworks themselves can be built out, but the skills that you wrap around the frameworks are what the magic really is. Get a G2A Pro plan. It's $15 for the year. I have a Pro for a year from the promotion they were running earlier last year or late last year. It's decent. Do 3 more and then open it. What's good? Nova Study AI official. I'm building an AI assistant designed to help students master their curriculum more efficiently. I just posted a new video showing off the AI if you're interested. I'm locked in right now, but that sounds dope, dog. That sounds dope. Yeah, this funnel's kind of eating shit right now. Let's see. Give me the TLDR like I'm 10 years old. Which one? I feel like the website build could be a good foot in the door and upsell with the outcome. I just don't know how to think about this. Can you give me a decision matrix framework? Research decision making from Ray Dalio and
Orchestrator
his,
ready for your review.
book Principles. And then I want you to make a decision-making matrix skill from that book. I was developing an app like 2 years ago. I wish Claude Code was a thing back then. I had to get a co-founder. Yeah, that sucks. I mean, if you can find a good co-founder, it's invaluable. Like, I would not be where I'm at in this business without my cousin. Like, if you guys can find a good co-founder, that shit will explode your growth. Now, finding a good one is hard as shit. That book is so good. Yeah, I read it. And that book is so damn good. Principles by Ray Dalio is such a good book, dude. Like, oh my God. It is so good. It is ridiculously good for making decisions in like company culture of dropping the ego, and it's just amazing. So we're gonna make a skill based off of that book. Dalio's Principles. So we got Claude researching Dalio's Principles in the background. We're gonna make a decision framework skill, and then our Claude's gonna get upgraded on that. Yes, do that. No, we have GPT 4.1. We got the free tier on this. Just use it. Okay, this got deployed. Let's see if it actually got deployed. Fuck. Why did you add back irrigation and sprinklers?
Orchestrator ready for your
and
review.
hardscaping? He does not do those services. Motherfucker. Motherfucker. Okay. Let's see. So do you use ClaudeBot? I have no idea what that is. I don't use that. I don't know what that is. How do I land my first high-ticket US client from India? Strong AI machine learning automation skills, but stuck on picking a niche, reaching Western clients, and proof of work to get the first client. Try Upwork or Fiverr. It's OpenClaw? Oh. Do you create a GoHighLevel for the customer's website? Fuck no. GoHighLevel site builder is dog shit. We're vibe coders. ClawBot is the thing that controls your entire computer. If you're talking about OpenClaw, I don't use OpenClaw. I use Hermes Agent. Very slimly though. I don't use it often. If you are trying to reach the US market and you are from a third world country, your accent is going to be what's stopping you from accessing this market the most. If you have an accent, your highest ROI to access these markets is going to be removing your accent. So just practice speech therapy, whatever it takes. Otherwise, you're just going to be having an uphill battle, and that's just the truth of it. It's the same thing that Hormozy says in all of his workshops, and that's just the reality of it.
Orchestrator ready for your review.
That's going to be your highest ROI move. But Upwork, Fiverr, cold DMs. At the end of the day, if you want to do this long term and scale this business, you're going to need to get on the phone or have a co-founder that doesn't have an accent and can do the sales setting and communication while you do the AI automation. Those are your two pieces of advice from my end. Dalio decision matrix. Tably hit a quota. Building the skill of my own knowledge principles instead. Nah, fuck your knowledge. Use another research skill framework and then build it. Okay, we're getting our analytics platform dialed. We're getting this dialed. Okay, so he filled out a long form telling you everything about his business, colors, picture, what he sells, he wants customers, all that. Problem he found at the start, our system was supposed to send you a text saying Michael finished the form. Here's one else, but it never did. It's tiny typo in the code, like writing Michael instead of Michael. The whole thing crashed silently. You only noticed because you said the text in Mattermost. I added another robot, Auto build his website from the own little CRM. Michael's form is in our database. He has everything, his logo, his payment set up, all wired, kickoff calls on May 4th. What the fuck? Okay, he has his kickoff call scheduled with
Orchestrator ready
me.
for your review.
For some reason, it's with me. I gotta fix that. Make his permission to push 3, creates real things, build his lead capture funnel, make his own little GoHighLevel CRM.
Orchestrator ready for your review.
Pretend I just push 3 buttons. Yes, if you're gonna be able to do all that, use all of your browser frameworks like Pinch Tab if needed, Comet CDP, Chrome MCP DevTools, or Playwright. Your priority should be the Comet, then Pinch Tab, then Chrome DevTools, lastly Playwright. Find which one works best for this, and then you're gonna need to crystallize this, package it into a skill, pull in your meta adjacent skills as well, and then document this whole thing because this is gonna be the foundation of our client onboarding. So your workflows are basically monitoring all your Claude bots, improve checking their work, does it debug code and stuff. So your workflow is basically monitoring all your Claude bots. I don't use, okay, I think you're talking about my Claude Code, like Opus 4.7. Yes. Does it debug code and stuff? Yes. So it doesn't even really, it does debug code, but bugs happen so minimally because I built it right the first time. Shout out Randy, he has a skill that he gave me. It's called Audit Loop, which is also in the Iron Vault, and it basically will work until it's finished. So you rarely run into bugs, and when you do, it can debug them like it's like one prompt. But my whole workflow is just orchestrating 8 different Claude agents. Like I'm like you see, my screen is always dead. Like the screen that you guys see, sadly, is always dead. Because I don't click into any apps. I tell Claude to go click into apps. I tell Claude to hit the APIs. I tell Claude to run the end-to-end testing. Like, that is the workflow. You get a voice dictation software and you fucking go crazy with your voice. Like, you just, it's insane. It's insane. Okay, so it looks like it's got this updated. Got this updated. Got this updated. Show your Claude screen? No. If you want the Claude screen, you can upgrade to the Iron Vault, join the weekly calls, and then I'll have the Claude screen if needed. Web chat approval is trash. I had the opposite experience. I onboard every single one of my clients with the web chat. What? It's crazy news. Yeah, I need to get this guy's number.
Orchestrator ready for your review.
I've not had the same experience. But send me your website. If you go to A2P issues, drop your website in the. Let me see. Because I think I found an issue with Caden. Okay, clipping framework is going pretty well with the browser automation. Web chat approval is trash. I had the opposite experience. I onboard every single one of my clients with the web chat. What? It's crazy. This is postable. Yeah, I need to get this is postable. This guy's number set up. Yeah, I don't know, bro. I've not had the same experience. Send me your website. Cold SMS for your outreach channel is pretty fucking broken, dude. We spent $1,200. Oh my God, this is great. This is great. This reel should do good. Process on average around $400 to acquire a customer, and these customers like now they're paying us $2.5K up front. In the first month, we're probably paying us over $3,000. So you're paying $400 to get $3K plus if you're offering a money model or good. Oh my God. Caden was
Orchestrator ready for your review.
Messed up with the A2P. So in Iron Operators, I have some A2P issue. I have a thread going right now, and you can see how I got approved for A2P. But depending on where your provider is, it'll look a little bit different on the best path to go forward. If you need any help, let me know. But that's good, dude. Glad to hear it. Yeah, I'm fucking doing some cold email shit. I got so many things in here that need to happen. This is so good. Does Wix
Orchestrator ready for your
host
review.
domains? How's it going, small body? What's good, dude? This is so good. This is so good. Okay. Cold SMS for your outreach channel is pretty fucking broken, dude. So what's in the Iron Vault? I'll get it right now. The Iron Vault is the GoHighLevel skill where Claude can read GoHighLevel workflows. It can edit GoHighLevel workflows. It can create GoHighLevel workflows. You get the entire agency snapshot that I run my agency on, all of the automations, the conversation agent workflows. Now you won't get the conversation agent backend, but with the GoHighLevel SDK that you get from the skill, Claude will be able to read this and you can build off of it. You get all these workflows. You also get every single one of my Claude skills, and you get access to the other modules. Now the other modules aren't fully finished out yet, but there are some good SOPs in there for the sales, the repeatable delivery, and first wins. But the main core package of the 97 is those things that I mentioned before, and you also get access to the weekly calls that we're doing in the community. Don't worry, Combo Agent will be a part of the native GoHighLevel app soon. Hell yeah. But yeah, the delivery is so you're mainly just gonna get the Claude assets. So if you're not too advanced with using Claude Code, I would hold off, to be honest. You're mainly gonna get a better version than I gave you, Jay. Not gonna lie, I fixed a lot of shit. Nice, dude. I've been tweaking it every single day. But yeah, if you're not already good with Claude Code, the Iron Vault is mainly for developers. Do I need GoHighLevel stuff? I'm not using it for my agency. I'm more interested in the audit loop and learning Claude Code. Well, learning Claude Code is just going to be on you. I mean, I can help you with any debugging, any questions, architecture on our weekly calls. So that'll help you, but you'll get all my skills. So you'll get all my browser automation skills. You'll get my crystallized skill. You'll get my GoHighLevel skills anyways. You'll get basically every single skill you see me use. So yeah, if 97 sounds good for you to get that, then I think you should upgrade. And you'll get access to those weekly calls, and I'll be able to help you out a little bit more in depth to your actual context. Let's see. What the fuck? What happened here? What the fuck happened here? Why did he get moved to not interested correctly and then removed? I need you to explore all of our GoHighLevel skills, specifically the SDK, and see if we can make a skill, make a framework, a Python script, whatever it is, to have you get full agentic access and knowledge, context, memory into our direct audit log system for our sub account. And once you research this and build that, use the crystallized skill to make sure we never lose that sauce. And we should use this for everything: the setter, diagnosing SMS, diagnosing all of our marketplace apps, the bridge, everything. Do you have any questions? I want to plan this out very in depth. Yeah, learning Claude Code is going to be all on you. The Iron Vault is really focused towards people that are already proficient, at least a 6 out of 10 at their Claude Code skill. Like, that's when you really are going to get the sauce from the Iron Vault. Otherwise, you're just going to be buying resources that you don't know how to use. But the snapshot, I think alone, because I don't know why you're not on GoHighLevel. The snapshot alone is well worth the 97 and all the skills. And the price is going up soon. Probably the next couple of members that purchase the Iron Vault, because 97 is just way too cheap for all these skills and the whole snapshot. But the delivery and the onboarding experience is kind of a little rough right now. That's why it's so cheap too. Once we get more people on, it should get streamlined off of the feedback. Shout out Joshua for being the founding member. Okay, it looks like we're fleshing out
Orchestrator
this.
ready for your review.
No, not literally everything, just the audit logs mainly. And it should be multi-tenant, built into the GoHighLevel SDK skill. Pull that in. We don't have to have real-time alerts. I just need it as a tool that you can utilize. And yeah, fix this. Oh, hell yeah! I fucking love Destiny. Destiny 1, though, not Destiny 2. I used to spam that shit, bro. Destiny took my life. I used to play Destiny on the Xbox 360, Terraria, Minecraft. Like, those were the golden age. Black Ops 2, like, that era was insane. Sweet, got on Iron. Do I need Claude Max or Claude Pro plan? You'll need the Claude Max plan, for sure. 100%, you will need the Claude Max plan.
Orchestrator ready for
The
your
Claude Max
review.
plan is non-negotiable. But glad to see it, bro. I'll see you in the calls, and I'll get everything sent over to you right now. And you should have access to the classroom. So if you go to the Iron Vault, you'll be able to get the zip file where you can download all those skills, everything like that. So go into the Iron Vault, and you can get all those resources there. And then Saturday is our weekly call. So you should definitely dive into as much of this as possible so you have the proper context. Bro, it was so goated to have Destiny 1 on PS5. I was playing it, and releveling new characters still so fun, and still people playing it. Yeah, I love Destiny. I have a very special place in my heart for Destiny. Yeah, you're gonna want the max plan though. That is true. That is true. But I'm not gonna help you. I'm not gonna be able to help you debug. I'm not gonna be able to help you debug codex configuration. So I recommend Claude. Not gonna lie, if this is good, I think it is. I'm about to be rich. LOL. I've been an entrepreneur for a long time, made money in a bunch of different ways. If I could do multiple things, that'd be amazing, dude. You can definitely, dude. This definitely will get you right if you start learning the agentic workflows and everything like that in Claude Code. Also in there, once you download that zip file, just point your zip file at Claude Code, and then tell it to run the Iron Operator onboarding skill. So that'll walk you through how to get up and running with the zip that you just received. If you're down, you seem like you know what's up with Claude. Could we get on a Discord? Okay, let's see. Why is this fucking site? Okay, let's see. Is this updated? Updated. Let's see. Ooh, that's much better. This is much better. Holy shit, this is way better. Okay, it looks pretty good. I need you to audit every single image that you put in. I think some of them might still be before, and only put in the best lawn care ones. We need to highlight landscaping, remove the Christmas lights one. Okay. Get way more usage instead of Claude, yeah. And Codex native app, if you don't like terminals, is way better than Claude's native app. Yeah, that is true, but I don't know. I haven't tried 5.5. I haven't tried 5.5. So Jay, why don't you use Codex? Me and Randy are on the opposite ends of this. I don't think Codex is better. I think Codex is cheaper. Codex is cheaper. I don't think it's better. I think Claude gets you better outcomes. It is cheaper. I would not. I think better is arguable. I've tried Codex, and it's passable. It's passable. I don't know about better. Dude, I'm using 4.7 right now. And everything you see being built out is 4.7. I wouldn't call that dumb. I don't think. I think Claude is better. Codex feels like they're grasping at straws to just catch up with Claude's ability to get those outcomes fast. The native planning mode with Claude is better. I think Codex is still behind. Prime 4.6, yeah, no, dude, on release 4.7 was dumb as fuck. I was actually using 4.6 yesterday. I'm back to 4.7, and this shit is good. Like, this shit is good. It's working really fucking good. I'm not gonna lie. On release of 4.7, it was dog shit though. I will give you that.
Orchestrator ready for your review.
What the fuck is this? How can you get everyone live with good messaging? I'm back. Is the funnel broken? The funnel's not broken. The funnel's not broken. M1 Air, do I need a better laptop? No, you don't need a better laptop because it runs in the cloud. All the Cloud Code shit runs in the cloud. And recently the bypass permission wasn't working for a few days. I've not had that experience. Oh God, I'm still getting over this fucking virus. Oh my God. Oh. Okay, dude, this is crazy. These clips are good. The clips are good except for this one. What can you do to cross-post all of these? What's the plan here?
Orchestrator ready for your review.
What's the structure on the weekly iron calls? It's the structure is
Orchestrator
going to be
ready
a
for your
Q&A.
review.
The structure is going to be a Q&A. So for me, Claude has gotten really dumber by them limiting compute, and it's more expensive and more buggy. Codex has not been, but Claude at their peak is better than GPT any day. I think they fixed it. I would agree with you. I would agree with you, but I think they fixed it. This shit has been working like as good as it's ever been working.
Orchestrator ready for your review.
Like, dude, I ship 3 marketplace apps. I'm shipping meta accounts. I'm shipping post hog. I'm shipping content automation
Orchestrator ready
systems.
for your review.
I just don't agree. I just don't agree anymore. I think during that period at the beginning of this month, you would be right, but it was just a short little blip. I think it was a blip.
Orchestrator ready for your review.
No, I haven't been running out of usage at all. You guys see me using this shit every single day. My usage is chill. It's actually surprising. On my session, I've run out of my session use limit 1 time on the session. But it was like at the end of the hour, and I had to wait like 5 minutes. That was it. It was like no interruption at all. I've been loving it, dude. I've been absolutely loving it. Definitely think I need to bump up to the $200 plan. Just filled my 5X and exhausted extra credits with 2 minutes left. Yeah, 200 plan is where it's at once you're getting into this shit seriously. Also, Joshua and Sick, I'm also gonna send you guys my client snapshot as well. It's pretty bare bones, but you guys are also gonna get that in the Iron Vault as well. The new Iron Vault is putting in some work. Hell yeah, brother. I appreciate the feedback. Like, let me know if there's any gaps, if there's any issues that you guys have. Did this client not want a form, phone chat only? So when you're registering A2P, you can only have one opt-in method on the front page, which is why you guys might be getting denied. You can only have this chat widget. I had a form on this page, and now we can revert the form and put the form on page, but not before your A2P is verified natively through GoHighLevel. Right now, Joshua, I'm gonna send you my client snapshot. You might not use it, but I'm still gonna send it to you guys. And to Sick, I'm gonna send you this client snapshot and our agency snapshot right now. But yeah, that's why we don't have the form. I'm gonna add it back though. Also, this is not connected to his Google business profile because it's not verified. We cannot make any changes at the moment. So that's kind of fucked. Oh, this is the... How do I suggest I go about my Claude stuff right now? I have it set up with OpenRouter. Should I just go through your entire school basically? Or what's the setup to get running? Go through the school. I have this set up in the school and how you can use it in the terminal or VS Code. That is my recommendation. Appreciate it. I'll definitely take a look. I'm in the process of rebuilding mine. Yeah, if you already have a snapshot and it's already working well for you, what I would do is just put it in a test account and then take bits and pieces that you want, and you can use your GoHighLevel SDK skill to go in and pretty much review the entire account and then just tell it to transfer it over to your account. That's exactly what I would do if I was you. Because that's the thing with snapshots, and why I did not sell or like really package in snapshots at all, is because they're useless for most people unless you have the Iron Vault and you can use the GoHighLevel SDK to give Claude God mode on the workflow section. So you guys are gonna get that right now. I'm sending that out. Client snapshot. The client snapshot admittedly is pretty bare bones because they just don't need that much to capture leads for our business. But simple scales. Sending that over right now. Fuck. There we go. Simpler the better, IMO. Mogged me to death today. Really appreciate you, dog. Gonna go get set up, and I will see you weekly iron calls and see you on the stream tomorrow if you're streaming. Dude, we haven't missed a stream in 30-something days. Of course I'll be on stream tomorrow. Mogged me to death today. Oh my god. Simpler, better, IMO. In my opinion as well. I think simple scales. That is what we try to do. Let's see. Dropped. Okay. So we should have the new work section. This is beautiful. I think he's gonna be happy. I'm gonna message him right now.
Orchestrator ready for your review.
Right. Damn. Holy fuck, dude. Funnels live. Let's see the funnel live that Claude just shit out. Get your free landscaping quote in 30 seconds. Want a yard you're proud of. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's open this in an incognito tab. See if the yeah, okay. This is good. Want a yard you're proud of. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm clicking the button and nothing's happening. Is it still working? I'm clicking the button and nothing is happening on page. Also, where's his site? Okay. Where is my automation platform? Yeah, do all that. Do all that. Also, in parallel, I need you to research, since we're running meta ads right now, we did a Hyros copy build in the past. I need you to research the architecture that could exist. It might not be in this repo, but find it. Because we're gonna start needing Hyros soon for attribution. So I have vibe coded a Hyros clone. That should be pretty damn good. Because I'm thinking about scaling meta ads aggressively once we get a proof of concept set up. Because, yeah, there's just no reason why we can't make meta ads work for ourselves. It's crazy because Alex Hormozy is using instant lead forms right now. So I'm like, fuck, dude, should I be doing instant lead forms? Jay, you should test doing iMessage for one client, having them pay for it. Can even charge a little extra for margin on top. No ATP required and should be higher reply rates, they say. Both my clients on it, but not seeing much increase, but not much data. Fuck iMessage. Fuck iMessage. Not fuck iMessage, but like, it's just not worth it for me right now. I was actually thinking about it. Doing some kind of farm with, yeah, he is. Hormozy's doing instant lead forms right now. He's got qualifying questions on it. But, dude, I'm like, fuck. If Hormozy's doing this, I need to be doing this.
Orchestrator ready for your review.
But yeah, he is on his ACQ Vantage offer for his school community. That's what he's running it to. Okay, we got fuck, what is that? What is the Nova skill? There's also some cold email skills in that bundle as well, Joshua. So if you ask your Claude agent what cold email skills exist, you should, I think there's something called Nova Email, and I think it's designed for email sequences and optimizing templates. So you can check that out too. I think that exists in the bundle. Why farm though? Just use the software if you do it, but yeah, I don't think it's worth it. Fuck that. The softwares are so expensive for what? For what? I want to turn mine on, but need some more budget. Would like to be doing $30 a day. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. That's exactly what I'm doing right now. I'd say do it, bro. The sooner you start running meta ads. Have you ever ran meta ads before? The sooner you like rip the band-aid off, the better it is. I would say is my advice. I just started running them like 2 days ago, and it feels so much better to just have them on, bro. I don't care if it doesn't profit. Like, just being in the process of getting this shit started just feels good. Because at the end of the day, this is how you scale aggressively.
Orchestrator ready for your review.
Yeah, for my old offer, sweet. So that's good. That's great. Yeah, $30 a day is where I'm at right now. This funnel don't seem to be funneling though. Let's see what the campaign looking like. Nah, don't do any schedule shit. Where are we at? Give me the 10-year-old breakdown. I want to do them for my quick start offer, either self-serve or a quick phone call. Yeah, those are low. Those are low ask CTAs, so sounds like a good idea. We built a money dashboard. Why it matters. So it looks like so far we made,
review.
Let's see.
Orchestrator ready for your review.
Holy fuck. Looks like in 2026, we've made 35K so far. That's what the agent's saying. That's fucking crazy. $29K from the old customers, 6K from the new stuff. Because that happened this month. Cold email, cold SMS costs, premium inboxes. April's LTGP 30 to CAC is 4.64x. That means every dollar we spend, it comes back as $4.64 of profit in the first 30 days. And you break even in 6.5 days. Both of your channels are above the 4x rule. Green light to spend more. That's just because we haven't written rules yet. Played sees them. What's stopping you from just what's stopping us from just using AI to categorize our bank transactions? How can I just give you the context of what I'm looking for, and then you can just set up automations to do this? We want to keep it local for now. Cold SMS is our strongest channel. We're getting about a 6x ROI on cold SMS. Email, we're getting about a 4.5x. Meta ads is to be announced, but everything's looking good. And do it? Do what? I was locked in. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm gonna take a piss. I'll be right back.
Orchestrator ready for your review. Orchestrator ready for your review.
Welcome to the community, Andrew. I just set up Mercury's MCP to try to get all ideas for all of my expenses. Yeah, I have Played. So if you go to Played, you can make a dev app and you can connect all of your like credit cards, business bank, Stripe. Mercury has an MCP server. That's fucking interesting. Testing the outbound voice agent right now. I mean, it's obviously AI, but I'm optimizing the prompt right now. I'm able to get decent low latency while still giving them enough context. Nice. What's your infrastructure? I'm about to set that shit up with Bottleneck, dog. I'm about to set that shit up with Bottleneck 100%. Holy fuck, dude. We are profiting. Holy shit. Okay, I also want to know our gross net margins, OpEx, CapEx, everything like that. Do we have sections for that? Do everything here. Give me the local host link. I've got so many agents running right now. Are you doing outbound AI for warm lead setting and qualifying? Yeah, he is. That's his whole offer. That is his bread and butter. He's a fucking goat. Retail? Yeah, I love retail. Using 3 Flash right now, and I'm keeping the prompt super lean because I can pick and choose what I want to insert. Not setting up any tools yet. I'm just testing latency still. I think retail has the lowest latency. I think you're on the right infrastructure for that. Are you using the retail API? I had Claude configure my entire retail agent. It was fucking phenomenal, by the way. What voice provider are you using on the back end? Are you using like Twilio or what? My guess is Twilio. Focus AI text setters when I'm testing AI setting colors, not inbound, just outbound. That's what I'm testing right now. Yes, not using UI for it. Figured. Yeah, that's what I set mine up with. Good. Because retail, you have to connect the SIP trunking, everything like that. You're using Twilio, right? For the number. Yes, do all these phases. Not this week, today. Everything today. Everything today. If we have to sacrifice quality short term for iteration and speed long term, or you know what I mean? Let's do it. What the fuck? Okay. Oh, right now I'm just doing, I have a phone number on retail to test. I don't know what I'm going to connect it fully later. I'll probably have to be 2 separate numbers, but I don't know. I didn't even know retail had numbers. That has to be new. Also, why are 23% of you guys saying no to the poll? Come on, bro. Oh my God, I'm dead. I'm dead as fuck. I'm dead. If you guys haven't already, be sure to like the stream, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more, and for free sauce, join the school community. If you want a free trial, GoHighLevel. There's also a link there. You can support the channel. Appreciate every single one of you guys. Dude, this framework is absolutely insane. I got so much shit going on right now. GoHighLevel. Okay, we'll pull the audit log history fully. Can we do it? Also, Joshua, I am going to send you the update to the audit log if I get it cracked, because you put me on some sauce right there. That would be so fucking helpful if we can get that audit log pulled in for testing everything that ever touches GoHighLevel. Like, that's crazy. I can't believe I haven't looked into that sooner. Dude, your question was fucking phenomenal. Phenomenal. It was phenomenal, dude. That shit had my brain. It had the gears in my brain turning. Yeah. Yeah, dude. It definitely can work. I got my shit looking into it right now. I'm gonna burn some tokens on that shit. Yeah, I'm gonna put you on that, Randy. I think it'll help both of us with the setter framework, all of our bridges, agentic behavior, because the audit logs has the truth. It's the source of truth for GoHighLevel, bro. Like, I cannot believe I've not looked into this sooner, dude. Like, holy shit. That question, when I was reading that question, I was just like, holy fuck, this guy is thinking of the right things. Why? Like, the gears were just going, dude. They were going hard. So I'm gonna package up something sweet for this. I'm gonna get it figured out. Like, there's no world where I do not get this figured out. So I'll send you that update when I do. Same thing with the sick and everything. It's just the audit log tab, Randy. So if you go into settings, you go to audit logs right here. You know, everything that ever happens in the entirety of your GoHighLevel is logged here with everything you would need to know for any debugging, every bot action, like literally limitless context for your Claude agent. I'm gonna make a update to the GoHighLevel SDK to capture all of this sauce for debugging. It's what Joshua put in the a school community post.
Orchestrator ready for your review.
Okay, is the funnel working now? Okay, funnel's working now. Let's go on the private tab. Is this the private tab? Okay, let's see. Welcome to the school community, Trey G. Welcome in, brother.
Orchestrator ready for your review.
You didn't know about audit logs? No, dude, audit logs are everything. How did you not know about the audit logs? I'm building it right now. Yeah, that shit's getting built out. That shit is getting built out. Do I need to get this handoff? Need to clear the context. Let's get this going. Let's get a planning mode. You rarely go into the settings. I've been really loving when clients hire me for a build or a fix and they don't give audit log perms. Dude, I have a client right now that's paid literally over $3,000 and we have not been able to do anything for his account because he wants to give me 2 scopes and GoHighLevel, like contacts and conversations. And I'm like, dude, okay, build this workflow then. I'm like, you're so good at GoHighLevel, build this workflow and I'll build off of your infrastructure. And he's so damn busy that we literally, it's been months and we have not been able to send him a single lead for our cold email agency. And he just ghosts us. And he just pays every single month. He's paid like over $3,000. And we have not done anything for, he's been our first client that we ever got on this cold email. He's our first client and he's been paying $600 a month for fucking ever. Like, he just doesn't give a fuck. He's making so much money in his business, it's ridiculous. He's definitely one of our most advanced. He turned our sales call into a coaching call. He was coaching me and Scott on the call. It was insane. This guy is a killer. But I'm like, dude, I don't give a fuck about your clients. I don't give a fuck about whatever sauce you think you have in this GoHighLevel. If you give me the right permissions, like, I'll just fucking one-shot this shit that you're procrastinating on because you're scared. I'm like, fine, I don't give a fuck. I can literally show you guys. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. Yeah, let me not. Does he need another guy? Fuck, dude. Nah, I'm not gonna show it. It has his name everywhere on the Mattermost channel, but dude, it's so fucking crazy. It's so crazy. It's so crazy, dude. Oh man. Yeah. He has the FU money for sure. What was I doing on this opera? Okay. Audit the entire I need you to flesh out every single module. Ask me as many questions as needed. And yeah, interview me. Okay, let's get this. Let's see what the status of this is. Yes, path 2. Do the best long-term scalable infrastructure decision. I think you know what it is. Let's do it. Take as long as you need. All right. All right, we're good on the iron funnels over here. So we do have Hyros. We have our own Hyros vibe coded software that I built out like literally months ago. So we might be able to do something with that a little bit later. It's not a priority right now though. Priority is getting this fucking YouTube content automation system live. Just kidding. I mean, we're honestly chilling. Everything's running so smoothly right now. I hope. Let me check. Oh no, it's not. It's literally not. The AI conversation agent. Now it's fine. Whoa. Where the hell? Oh shit. This boy wants to get on the call ASAP. Oh no. I thought, let me see, what the fuck? Oh my God, Scott's had a shoot. Oh my God, let's see, hold up. Why did this resend? Oh my fucking God. This is a bonfire. This is a fucking, oh my God. Yo, what the fuck happened here? What's going on? Oh my god. Y'all are seeing it here first. This is oh man. Let's do it together. Oh my god. Thought you wanted business? Oh my god. We're getting cooked. I forgot Scott had a shoot. Oh my god, dude. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Classic Jinx. Oh my god, dude. Yeah. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. What the fuck is going on? Yo, fix this shit. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. What the fuck is this shit? Did he schedule a call? Oh my fucking god. Why is he getting put in the booked? Oh my god, dude. Why is he out of closed one? What? What? I can't even move him back to no. Don't move him back to close one. It'll kick off automations. Fuck. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. No. Fuck. Discovery call booked. No. No. Oh my god. Fuck. No. Oh. It's all right. We ball. Oh my god, dude. I need to call this guy. Why does he not have a... Oh, he does. Okay. Okay, what do I need to get from him? What information do I need to get from him?
Orchestrator ready for your review. Orchestrator ready for your review.
Just fix it long term. Yes, fix that. That durable fix. Okay. Oh my god. I need to... Also, I'm about to call Michael Arbuckle. So can you... tell me what I need from him, if we need anything at all? Since I think you were able to create those assets, or you were actually looking into it. What's going on here? How can I surgically get him back into the right fucking pipeline stage? Oh my god. What the fuck is going on here? Damn it. I forgot Scott wasn't available. Damage control, damage control.
Orchestrator ready for your review.
Oh my god. So we don't have the correct perms. Sorry about that. It's been a pretty hectic day. It's easier if we screen share. We can walk you through exactly how we would get you those jobs on a pay on results
Orchestrator ready
basis.
for your review.
Do you have time tomorrow at 11 a.m. or 3 p.m. CT. Clip. What the fuck is that? What kind of deal did you have in mind? What were you looking for?
Orchestrator ready for your review.
So this is a website one. So these guys don't have a site. Where are they based out of? Fuck. I don't even know where they're based out of. Jesus Christ. Okay. Training an AI bot right now. Damn it. Forgot Scott wasn't here. Do I not have... Oh my God, this shit is fucked. Yo, scan all the conversations for today. Oh my God. What the fuck is going on? So do we need to update our meta flow? Or does our meta flow cover this? He just didn't do it right. Ah, fuck. Give me a step-by-step text to send him for everything that we need from him. Use the J brand voice skill. What the fuck? Why did this just get updated to lost? What the fuck happened here? What the fuck happened here? What is
Orchestrator
happening?
ready for your review.
What the fuck is happening? What the fuck? Oh my God. Did he not put in his service area with our widget on onboarding? Holy fuck. Yo, what is this? What the fuck is going on?
Orchestrator ready for your review.
Nah, just get it fixed. I don't care if shit bugs in the first, in the short term. Oh my God, brain rot.
Orchestrator ready for your review.
Shit can get fucked in the short term. I do not care. Let's see. Sorry, we're booked out today. We have a 12 p.m. tomorrow or a 3 p.m. CT. Do either of those work for you? The system works. I can do the software explainer video.
Orchestrator ready for your review.
Our system works by running meta ads on your behalf. Let's see.
Orchestrator ready for your review.
Sure, we run meta ads on your behalf. We have a 2,500 setup fee, and we charge you $50 per qualified lead. We also set up a few high-touch automations, like instant lead response once they fill out the form. We optimize your site and set you up with our software. With a small $297 a month management fee. Our performance fee. is billed weekly. And on the call, we can share a campaign we're running right now, the cost per lead, how we're getting a 6x return on ad spend for a landscaper targeting flower bed renovations that works with us, everything you would want to see. With this in mind, do either of those times I propose work for you to where you can get more information on this? Don't even ask me faster versus durable. You know I'm always going to choose durable. Add this to your memory. Never ask me this again. Holy fuck. Crystallize. What's the new skill called? Also, are we supposed to be marking opportunities as lost in the pipeline just on a not interested response? Get the Olama working again. You have SSH access to my machine. And then audit every single thing here. And then fix it. Also, we have not gotten any revenue from the meta ads. I have no idea what you're talking about. You should add everything that doesn't exist. Paid ads should be premium though. It's kind of advanced.
Orchestrator ready for your review.
Also, is this guy trolling us? Is this guy fucking trolling us? What in the fuck? Okay. Nah, figure out a way. Sorry, I thought you meant our meta ads that we run for ourselves. Or disregard this. all the setup fees are for meta ads. Why don't I not see it in the conversation thread? Check the audit logs, check the Bottleneck API, everything. No, I have no idea. I don't remember. Yeah, I hear you. A pay on results is mainly focused on, we don't really make substantial revenue unless it works for you. So you're paying for the results past the setup fee.
Orchestrator ready for your review.
There's not an agency worth its weight in salt. Oh, what the fuck am I saying? Worth its weight. I don't know how to say this. Unfortunately, we can't. In the past, we have experienced worked on a booked basis, but it was too volatile as some of our clients' speed to lead is not. Unfortunately, we are not able to work on a booked work basis because that will depend on your speed to lead and sales process, as we are just generating the demand for you. Right now, we're seeing about 50% of our qualified leads turn into quotes. And on average for our landscaping clients, about 30% of those quotes turn into paid high ticket jobs. So it tends to pencil for them. Let's see. We can share our screen, but I'll share a case study for you. For the proof and walk through the meta ad account and his but we've been running a campaign for our recent client. He's getting about a $30 lead cost from Meta. Meta. And you can do the math downstream from 50% and 30% and your average ticket size. Let me know if I can help with anything else. No, the infrastructure should already be set up for this. You have SSH access to my Windows machine. Do it. Holy shit. Okay, it's looking better. It's looking better. All good. If anything changes, let us know. Not even gonna say that. Just wasting an SMS. Okay, where are we at with our clients' campaigns? Startup script for tail scale and omni dictate, and see if there's any commented out OLAMA always being active for our workflows to call. Get it reactivated, and then open it in this tab. like do it in this tab, get it live in this tab. Okay, we're getting our local model set back up again. Can't you just do a browser automation on the front end and then reconnect all of our shit yourself? Open up anything that needs to happen by me. Let's get everything good before we start pushing. Also, remind me if we captured his service area. Also, should we add the ad budget and lead service to the onboarding form? I think we should, but I don't know how to do it. Should we just recommend them an amount to start with testing and like a proposed plan, and then say, does this work? I thought we already got their service area. We should ask them what's lead service. I think we should add this to the onboarding form. I thought we already got the service area and the meta admin access. I thought we already had the walkthrough for that, but do they also need to add the user as well? Did we not do this in the onboarding form? Oh, fuck. What's up, bro? What do you do? What's the benefits of Windows subsystem for Linux compared to normal Mac OS? Let me see. It's native to what the AI is good at running. Linux is what all your virtual private servers, when you expand to, will be running. It's just a Linux environment. Linux is for developers. But for Mac, let me double check something. I think WSL is only for Linux, for Windows. I think you should be good on your normal terminal for Mac. I'll update the community. You could look into something like multipass, but I think you should be good. Yeah, you could look into multipass, but you should be good on your normal terminal. So what does that mean in terms of performance? It's just more native to what the LLM is trained on. Linux environments, not like Windows. Especially because Claude runs on like a bun backend for the runtime. What's up, bro? What do you do? I do meta ads for my clients and go high level automations. What do you do, dog? What do you got working on, building? But you should be good in the native environment for now when you're learning the SICK. It's just a little bit more optimized. Yeah, there's nothing really limiting. It's just more native. So you should be good. It's nothing too crazy. It's nothing too crazy. Also, yes, yeah, not really, maybe a little bit, but not as much as you would probably think. It's not really, that's not really why, it's not important. Also to SICK, there's a skill in that zip file that you received for the Iron Vault. It's called School Scraper. So if you want to point your Claude agent at the school community URL, School Scraper skill should let you just pull in all of the community content, and then Claude will be able to get all of that knowledge straight into your repo. I got a smart scale. It's so peak. I wait every morning and it keeps track of my health metrics. Holy shit, that is dialed. But yeah, look into the School Scraper skill and you'll be able to get all that sauce right into your terminal, into your agent. It's in that zip file you got. Bet. I'm gonna finish Claude 101 right now and we'll check that out. I'll be back in 10:20, sweet. Can it be used in other school communities? Yes, yes sir, Joshua, yes sir. It works similarly to the GoHighLevel SDK that I built out. And it's how I was able to package entire communities that I bought into Claude skills that run my meta ad media generation. So you guys can definitely go haywire on that. And that's only one of the skills in there. There's multiple skills. You guys should have Claude go through all the skills that you've acquired and then rank them based off of the work that you're actually trying to do. Because there's hella fucking sauce in those skills. Like I religiously create skills for very niche things. So the vault should get you guys right. Like that vault is pretty insane, to be honest. Oh, my second brain is about to get so big. Oh, dude, what are you using for your second brain? Are you talking about Obsidian? Are you talking about Obsidian? Oh, shit. Or are you just talking about your Claude agent? Yeah, no, definitely go crazy with that school. I see you're in Maker School and some other stone scaling shit. So you should be able to get dummy sauce with that School Scraper. Yeah, that shit's crazy, dog. Yeah, Obsidian. Yeah, I love Obsidian. Everything is Obsidian for me. I have everything in Obsidian. I should have a module in Obsidian, to be honest. make a module on Obsidian and how we use it as well to manage intelligence and how it wraps into Claude Code as a knowledge base that is hyper legible for both humans and AI with the markdown that is model agnostic, etc. And change the setter to be able to be used with open router as well. I figured you were talking about Obsidian. That's funny. What the fuck? Get this cleaned up. I don't see anything open. Oh yeah, I do. Okay. What? Maximum number of login attempts? You gotta be kidding me. It's my first time trying to log in. What the shit? 100%. There's a big post in Maker School about going around about Obsidian and Kaparthi. Really? That's crazy. Like a auto research type shit or what? That's the only thing I've heard about him. God. I logged in on Instagram. TikTok says maximum number of logins. What else? What the fuck? Yeah, and more or less bringing in your second brain for context. I mean, yeah, that's been the sauce for. I mean, dude, you should see my Obsidian vault. Let me show you my Obsidian vault. Look at this shit, dog. This shit is absolutely disgusting. Wait, my wife's calling me. Yo. What? Hello? What? All right, hold up. How much you making with automation? This month we did 9K. Well, what's good, Imran? Look at this Obsidian vault, bro. It's absolutely disgusting. Absolutely disgusting, dude. It's got all Hormozy shit in here. It's got some other shit in here. It's got all the client data. You know we on that shit, dog. You know we on that shit. I'm gonna make a section in the school community for Obsidian. It's a great idea. Glad you reminded me of that, dude. You've been reminding me of so much good shit. You reminded me of so much good shit, dude. I just forget about the shit that I be doing that is like hella valuable. But where does Andrew Kaparthi fall into Obsidian? Or are you just saying like in general? Fat. Yeah, no, it's fat. It's fat. I reference this shit all the time. Yeah. Basically, the entire school community is just getting built out of my Obsidian right now. Low key. What the fuck? What's going on here? It's saying this. I don't know what the fuck's going on. You jump fast from 3K to 9K? Yeah. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. I mean, dude, in Nate Hertz video, it was one of Nate Hertz videos talking about setting it up. Yeah, I don't watch anything on the front end anymore. I feel like a lot of the big guys in AI have just turned into selling the news, which I'm not a big fan of. I don't know, I might be wrong, since I just haven't watched YouTube in a while. But I've seen some trends that were kind of disappointing in the space. And someone at Maker School is creating one from its resources. It was one of Nate's videos. Is it auto research specifically, or just Obsidian? Or like both of them together? But yeah, to be honest, I got to give it to not 100% right. I watched it too much, and Nick touched on that yesterday. Everyone profiting off news. I mean, Nick is kind of doing it too, but Nick is my GOAT. I would never speak bad on Nick. Nick is the reason why I'm a part of the reason why I'm here today. Some of his pirated Maker School stuff, but like Nick's old Nick's daily outreach channel. What's your daily spend on lead flow? Probably like $100 a day, $100 a day. Nick's old shit with a cold email, like, okay, his cold email strategy was kind of dog shit, I'm not gonna lie. With the personalized icebreakers on the front end of the every single email, kind of dog shit. I tested that out very extensively, and that is not how I recommend people do cold email. But his shit, oh shit, Obsidian with the skill on Kipano, Obsidian skills. Okay, I'll have to check that out. But his shit on Upwork, fucking insane. Fucking insane. His old shit with cold email of like just how to do cold email properly is actually insane. I take it back. Like him just showing me, him making like money with cold email in like 4 hours or some shit. Like those old videos, the old videos, literally that is a huge reason why I started doing Loom Upworks, is because of Nick's old shit and some of his Maker School stuff. And that video that you see on the channel with the Loom video was actually just based off of like Nick Strive's entire strategy of just daily Upwork proposals. His daily Upwork proposals are why I am here today. When you could scrape the RSS Upwork feed? No, I didn't know about that. Wait, what? I was doing that shit manually. That's when I don't even think Claude Code was out yet, or I just wasn't on Claude Code yet. I was just building shit in N8N and I was selling it. I was just selling N8N workflows. But that sounds fucking crazy. What? How many leads you get per day? Target B2B. I get like, I don't know, probably like 10 interested leads a day. CPMs on B2B services are very high. Yeah, they're very high, so you have to charge very high prices. It's a competitive landscape. Same. I stopped daily Upwork though, having a hard time getting back into it. Yeah, fuck Upwork at this point. Upwork is just not scalable, but it's great for starting out. Cold email, cold SMS are scalable, and they're great when you have a good offer and a good money model. But I always recommend, like, people sleep on Upwork and Fiverr. They got me where I am today. His whole, I think he pushes the Upwork and Fiverr shit on Maker School so much because it's literally like it's guaranteed to get you your first client, and that's his whole pitch. Like that's his whole offer, is just getting your first client with automation. I'm pretty sure. It's been a while since I looked at the old Maker School Google Drive that I had, but I like it. Nick is dope. Nick is definitely the fucking GOAT. Looks like we got access to the page, but I need a little bit more permission. Can you go to business.facebook.com, switch to your business at the top left, then go to settings, users, people, invite people, and put in hello@ironautomations.com. Set all the permissions to admin/manager. Clean this up. I think I messed up lesson 3. Claude is asking to create it for me, but it's putting in the current project I'm working on. I think I messed up lesson 3. What are you talking about, Claude? I think I messed up lesson 3. Claude is asking to create it for me, but it's putting in the current project I'm working on. So you have, it's good that it's putting it in your current project. Just make sure it's doing it globally as well. So ask your agent to pull in the updated Claude documentation for Claude.md. And it should live at the user level, which is global. It should live at the project level, which when you CD into a project, you'll be able to get that personalized repository context. But let me know more about where it's messing up. I've been torn on his model, larger project, lead gen versus something on the SaaS side. Your blend is a good sweet spot. I don't even know what he's telling people to do right now, so I'm not too sure. Larger project, lead gen versus something on the SaaS. I don't know what he's pushing right now. I will say larger projects being custom is way more viable than it was back in the day, because now you have Claude Code. If your onboarding is good for custom projects, you could charge 10K ticket sizes and then get them up on a retainer. Like that was my first client, and he still pays me today $500 a month to do absolutely nothing. I still don't recommend it though. It's gotten better than it was at the beginning though. Right now, lead gen demand is just so high that it's really easy to fulfill on with AI. I wouldn't say easy, but pretty easy. So you're kind of like a productized software company that delivers a perceived service. There's a lot of different ways you can structure it. I'm still learning the best way to do it, admittedly, but I think we're in the right direction, generally speaking. Let's see. Wait, is Olama working on the WSL end? It's funny. I actually watched a video from Nick, and he was like not running dangerously skip permissions. So I sent him an email, and let me see if it's what the fuck? I got age restricted? Oh no. Okay. Let's see if I have this shit. Yeah, my entry is productized. Yeah, my entry is productized DIY style offer that hopefully goes up the ladder to growth service and then custom automation builds when needed. Do it yourself style. What do you mean do it yourself style offer hopefully goes up the ladder to a growth service? I'm interested. Give me some more context on that. Like do it yourself style for give me some more context on it. Yeah, I watched one of Nick's videos and he was like not running dangerously skip permissions flag, and then he responded to me. I thought that was pretty cool. It was November 30th or November 29th last year. What the fuck? Yo, why is this shit? But I thought that shit was pretty cool. Yo, why are you going through and doing this for me? Are you just trying to figure out how to write the copy to... this is supposed to be a client-facing message. I'm trying to get him to give me access. Yeah, that shit, I thought that shit was funny. I was like, oh my God, no way. No way. My goat. because that was back in the day when like the dangerously skip permissions flag was like kind of unknown, and like I just saw so many people not using it. And I was like, holy shit, this is actually the craziest game changer. At his monthly earnings, that email probably cost him 15,000. Yeah, motherfucker is going absolutely dumb. Oh my god, dude, his shit is going absolutely dumb. Yeah, rewrite it in dummy, simple, step-by-step messaging. He did the partner ID workflow, and it didn't seem to give us what we needed. Should this be the default going forward? Yeah, do all this. Where are we at right now? All right, boys, I'm gonna go eat lunch. I'll be back. wish we'd grown up on the same advice. And our time was right. Oh, God. My wife made some delicious honey chicken and mac and cheese. Oh, my God. There goes my productivity. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Lord. Okay. Reset my password. Oh, man. I'm gonna screenshot this and put it in the school community. W marketing. Is this W marketing? How much usage does Claude Pro get? Nothing. Absolutely fucking nothing. Absolutely nothing at all. What email is my freaking TikTok under? Let's check Yahoo. Absolutely nothing. Do I have it under here? Find senior living near you. I'm good. Not yet, my friend. All right, let's add this to the, let's add this to the, where the hell? Oh, here we go. Let's add this to the school community. Is this W? Is this a W? Oh, man. Oh my God, this is so funny, dude. I need to crop it better. Let's see. Let me crop this. Is this a W? Oh man, that's so fucking funny, dude. Let's see.
Uses a certain kind of linguistic approach. It's an appropriation of speech. There's no excuse for that. That never has happened once in the history of English common law. Who's going to regulate it? Who's going to define it? I know the answer to that. The last people in the world you would want it. And then we crossed another barrier and we allowed the government to compel speech for some hypothetically compassionate reason? No way. That's a really bad idea.
Oh shit. Oh my god. Wait, we had a lead booking from the Wait. We had a lead booking from the meta. Oh shit. When did this happen? Wait. Hold up. Hold up. The quiz funnel. Oh shit. He booked a call. Oak and Stone Land. Holy fuck. I gotta call Scott. Wait a second. What the fuck? Boys, we got a fucking call booked. Why? Wait. Why did this guy not get... It's because I turned the booking flow off. Fuck. Okay, let me put this guy back. And close one. This guy needs to go back and close one. Wait, no he doesn't. Fuck. How do I get Arbuckle, Nursery, and Landscape back into close one safely without anything firing? We just had a lead book from our funnel. Holy shit. What the? Another one? Another one. Hold up. Does Scott work on commission only? Yes. Hold up. I'm getting bookings from this meta. Bro, I need to call Scott right now. Bro, that's the second one. There's 2 calls booked from the meta funnel. What the fuck? They're not getting any appointment reminders because my shit's fucked up, but I'm getting it dialed in. Holy. Chris, you can join the Iron Vault if you want the actual incentive package commission structure, how I think about structuring that kind of thing, and everything like that more in detail. I'm not going to talk about that on the front end. But yes, it is full commission. Holy shit, we got 2 bookings from this meta shit. What the fuck? It is. 2 of them. Oh my god. Fuck, dude. How do I get these guys? Can you call both of them? The automations are all fucked up. I have this AI call you. Hold up, Randy. I just booked 2 fucking appointments from the meta funnel, bro. Hold up. Look at this shit. 2 discovery calls, 1 today, 1 tomorrow morning from the meta funnel. Hold up. And they're not getting the notifications. Oh shit. Not right now. Don't have it call me right now. What the fuck is going on, boys? What the fuck? Yes, dude. The fucking automations are off. Let me put this shit back on. Okay, we booked 2 discovery calls from the funnel. Can you push them through to this workflow? I had it drafted on accident. They booked themselves, yes. They did. They've self-booked, bro. Look at this shit. What the fuck? What the fuck? Yo, what the fuck? All right, let me calm down. This is an average Tuesday. This is the average Wednesday. You know, this shit happens all the time. You know, nothing too crazy or out of the ordinary. It's just a typical day for the OGs. But this is crazy, dude. What the fuck? We got 2 calls. Look at this shit. We got 1 here. We got 1 here. LL655. Well, this might not be one. Hold up. I think it is, but it's not showing up on. Let's see the contacts. Holy fuck, dude. How many total leads enter the form? 2 completed, but how many drop off? I don't think. Oh my god, this just happened. This just happened. What the fuck? What is going on here? Can I paste this? What the fuck is going on? Why is my screenshot not going in? It's these 2 guys. Wait, I could probably just drop them into the workflow, right? How do I push them into a workflow? Okay, it did. Claude did it. Fuck, bro. What the fuck is going on? I need a new view. Meta. People. Lock in, boys. Lock in. Funnel, quiz. Source, SRC, quiz, funnel, create view. Holy fuck. We got 2 of them. And the automations are firing. Bro. Okay, it looks good. They got enrolled. You push them to the right workflow, but what about the close 1 guy? I don't want the close 1 guy getting any extra fucking shit. How can you plan to surgically put him back into the close 1 pipeline stage without any automations firing temporarily? Oh, buddy. Check their sites. I don't think they have. I don't think we asked for that. I am the owner. Word of mouth. They're doing word of mouth, and they're the owner. I'm the owner. Word of mouth. So they're both the same situation. 10 to 30K a month. Yep. Oh wow. Wow. Let me see their company name. Where's their company name? Oakstone and Land. Okay. I don't. Fuck. I don't think this is it. Here we go. What is this built on? Squarespace? Holy fuck. This is a perfect client. I'm gonna give this to Scott. Automations are fixed, but here's one of their sites. You can also see on the contact field all the information they submitted with the quiz. Here's one. Oh, fuck. This is an old automation. This is an old explainer video. This is an old explainer video. Fuck. Fuck. Fuck, 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 fuck. Fuck. Fuck, 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 fuck. Fuck. Okay, fuck. Ava, we just had 2 people booked from the Meta. We just had 2 appointments fully booked from Meta ads. We had 2 appointments fully booked from Meta ads.
2 appointments.
Yes.
There's so many ads going on.
Our ads.
2 people booked.
Yes. 2 landscapers booked a call with Scott from our Meta ads from the page. 1 today and 1 tomorrow morning. Like as soon as you could possibly book. What is this? This looks a little bit better. Here's the other one. They're also getting outdated explainer videos sent to their email. So I kind of need some damage control help with this. That's Scott. Fuck, dude. He's so busy today. He's probably driving back from his fucking shoot. If you think you could do it surgically, go ahead and do it. In parallel, we need to add a if-else statement with the quiz funnel source tag for our booking confirmation flows. Right now, they're getting sent an explainer video to an old offer. Actually, I just need to update it overall. To our old offer. For the funnel, they shouldn't even get sent the explainer video since they've seen the VSL. But for everyone else, we should just remove the explainer video overall. Well, it would just fix it if I just remove the explainer video overall. I'm just gonna fix it myself. Oh my god, dude. All right, should be good. Where's Scott? Okay, it should be good. I update it in the future. If they see the old video, then fuck it. Just make sure when you get time to call them ASAP and explain that the video's a little outdated, but that is a part of our backend with the 297. And just kind of warm them up. It's not catastrophic. Also, it says this AI using Grok for the LLM is better. So using resale as a provider, but I can also use the LLM via separate webhook via low latency. I had to call me when my brother was here and he thought it was a real human, but he is 9. Oh my god, that's so funny. Holy fuck, dude. But holy fuck, dude. 2 fully booked leads from Meta image ads? This is insane. $30 a day? Holy shit. What the fuck? Let's go in the Meta ads library. What's up, Chad Foes? Welcome to the community. Welcome in, brother. All right, I got that updated. It'll be good in the future. It'll be good in the future. Explain how this will be done surgically. What workflows would this touch and how are you going to avoid it? For the close one movement. Wait. Holy shit. Oh yeah, I need to check that. Another one! Another one! What the fuck? Another one just booked. Yo! Ava! Another one just booked. From the meta funnel. What the fuck? Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. What the fuck? Another one! What the fuck? Oh my god. What? No. No, it's just that third one. It's the third one. What the fuck? Oh my god. I'm about to fucking budget. I'm about to up the budget on this. I gotta see the fucking ads on this. What the fuck is happening right now? Okay, what the fuck? Yo!